The developed project management plan process is a crucial step in the project integration management process, and it involves creating a detailed plan that outlines how the project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. This plan serves as a roadmap for the project and provides a clear and concise overview of the project's objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables, as well as the project scope, schedule, budget, and quality. The project management plan is typically created by the project manager with input from other key stakeholders such as the project sponsor, the project team members, and the subject matter experts. It includes several key elements such as the project scope statement, which is outlining the project's objectives, deliverables, and what is included and excluded from the project, the work breakdown structure, commonly referred to as the WBS, which is basically breaking down the project's deliverables into smaller manageable tasks. Then we have the project schedule, which is outlining the project start and end date, as well as the key milestones and deliverables. The project budget, which is outlining the project's estimated costs and funding sources. Resource management plan, outlining the project's personnel, equipment, and other resources required. The communication plan, which is outlining how project stakeholders will be informed and updated throughout the project. The risk management plan, which is outlining the project's risks and how they will be managed. And the quality management plan, which is outlining the project's quality standards and how they will be met. The project management plan is reviewed and approved by the project sponsor and other key stakeholders like the project manager himself and the project team members before it is implemented. It serves as a guide for the project, providing a clear and concise overview of the project's objectives, stakeholders, and deliverables, as well as the project scope, schedule, budget, and quality. It helps project managers to manage the project scope, schedule, budget, and quality, and to identify and manage project risks. The project management plan is a living document that should be reviewed and updated throughout the life of the project as and when needed or required. For example, if the project scope changes, the project management plan should be updated to reflect the new scope. If new risks are identified, they should be added to the risk management plan. If new resources are needed, they should be added to the resource plan, and so on and so forth. See you in the next lecture.